A new study is painting a bright picture for future jobs in Colstrip, jobs associated with the cleanup of groundwater pollution at the Colstrip power plants. The new 93-page study points to significant employment potential if and when Colstrip's leaking coal ash ponds are cleaned up. Now, one thing that separates this study from many others is that it's a joint effort between the Northern Plains Resource Council and the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers. A unique relationship between a conservation group and coal workers finding common ground to work together on this study. That is perhaps news in itself, but more importantly, the study brings to light the current decisions that are pending in Helena as to what type of cleanup the state will approve for Colstrip's leaking coal ash ponds. The more extensive the cleanup, the more jobs involved. Now, the Colstrip Ash Pond Complex is one of the largest in the nation, with 32 ponds covering more than 800 acres. They contain tons of coal ash contaminated with pollutants such as arsenic, chromium, radium, and lead. The ponds are leaking at an alarming rate, up to 367 gallons a minute, 200 million gallons a year. Colstrip plant operator and co-owner Talon Energy is proposing a cap-in-place remedy where the ponds are covered and the coal ash is left inside. This new study points out that historically, a cap-in-place approach results in fewer jobs, increased long-term pollution. Now, Ted Stymack with the IBEW says his union sees the reclamation work as, quote, an opportunity to keep skilled workers employed in the Colstrip community. Instead, he says, of being laid off and forced to leave the area. Some of the case studies cited in the report show that doing a thorough cleanup is a major job creator, in some cases employing between 50 to 90% of the plant's operational workforce, while at the same time resulting in a significant reduction in contamination. And Becky Mitchell, the Northern Plains chairman, says, quote, a good cleanup plan that hires the local workforce is an important component of what we hope is Colstrip's bright and resilient future. Now, this new study points out that a thorough cleanup in turn also protects local property values. The State Department of Environmental Quality now reviewing Talon's cleanup proposal. They'll be approving a specific plan within the year. And we did reach out to Talon Energy today to get a response to the study, but have yet to hear back.